Okay, grade one, Mrs. Card's going to show you how to do your project for science today. It's called Comparing Chairs. And you would have noticed when you were watching the Goldilocks and the Three Bears story that Goldilocks sat in each of the three chairs and they were all different. They were different sizes, they were made out of different materials, they had different properties. One Mama Bear's chair was soft, Baby Bear's chair was small, and so on like that. So I thought it would be fun if we compared chairs in our own houses. So this is the paper where once you've found the chairs that you want to take a look at, this is the paper where you're going to record what you found, okay? And the information that you need to know is, first of all, what kind of a chair is it? So you would write that in this space. Then you would record the number of legs that it has. That goes in this space. Then you would record whether or not it has a back on it. Then you would record whether or not it has any wood. So what materials is your chair made out of? Does it have any metal? And then the last box is cloth. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to fill that out. So first of all, I'm going to show you, I want to explain to you, grade one, that you'll have to compare 1, 2, 3, 4 different chairs. Okay, and I don't want you to use the same ones. Don't use all 4 of kitchen chairs. Okay, walk around your house and see what you can find for chairs. I found, when I went for a short little walk in my house, I found a folding chair. And then, of course, the chair that I sit on, this chair, it's a very soft chair. It's very different from this chair. This one's really comfortable. And when you have a chair with this kind of a back on it, it's called a wingback chair. So we're going to take a closer look at Mrs. Card's wingback chair. So that's what I would write here. I write the name of the kind of chair that it is. Wingback chair. You might need to get mom or dad to help you spell. Or you can just sound it out the best that you can. Then in the next space, I have to write down how many legs it has. So I need to actually check. Does my chair have legs? Oh yeah, it does. There's one. There's the other. And then I know I've got 2 on the other side. So all together, my chair has 4 legs. So I would write the number 4 in that space. And then in the next space, I need to see, does my chair have a back? Well, it does. It's called a wingback chair, so I know that it does. You might be looking at a stool, and sometimes stools don't have a back. Is my chair made out of any wood? Yes, it is. The legs are made out of wood. Is my chair made out of any metal? No, so I would put an X there. Okay? And then, is my chair made out of any cloth? Yes. It's made out of a lot of cloth, mostly cloth. That's what makes it so comfortable. So I would put a check mark there. Okay? So when you get to this part, this is where you're going to put check marks or X's. Okay? The only time you write a number is how many legs there are on the chair. Okay, so you go ahead and you find 4 different chairs and see how they compare. Often, chairs are different because they have different purposes. And that's true for Mrs. Card's folding chair and Mrs. Card's wingback chair. And you'll see that's true too for all the different chairs that you have around your house. So have fun with that, grade one.